In this video I will show you that how you can use almond oil and honey to get rid of dark lips naturally. You will need ½ tablespoon of almond oil, 1 tablespoon honey, a bowl. What you have to do. Step 1. Take about ½ tablespoon of almond oil in a bowl. Step 2. Add 1 tablespoon honey. Step 3. Mix them thoroughly. Step 4. Apply to the affected area. Step 5. Massage for 3 or 4 minutes. Step 6. Rinse with water. Why this work? Almond is rich in nutrients and high amounts of vitamin E, B, B2, and B6, fatty acids, antioxidants, PP, and phytosterols. Take care and stay beautiful.